How to set a A4 size in PowerPoint. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set your PowerPoint presentation slides to the size of A4. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. On my Windows here, I'm just going to open up my PowerPoint right here. So this method will work on any version of PowerPoint. So this is the universal method. First thing, you will have to create a new PowerPoint or open the PowerPoint that you want to edit. Now, once you do that, on the top of your screen, you will see different tabs like Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Transitions, Animation, Slideshow, Record, Review, View, and Help. You are going to go to Design tab, and once you get here, on the right side, you will see Size Slide. Click on this drop down, and by default, you will be available with two slides, that is standard and widescreen. Now, if you want to change it to A4, click on Custom Slides, and this little window will pop up on your screen. And here on the slide size for it is now selected for widescreen. You just click on the drop down, and here I have different options like ledger paper, A3, A4, B4, B5, 35mm slides, and many more. You just click on A4 paper and then click on OK. So here you have actually two options. So you are scaling to a new slide. So would you like to maximize your slide to content, or scale it down to ensure it will fit on the new slide? If you maximize it, your contents will go overboard and it won't be visible. So I will suggest you ensure fit, which will allow you to fit all of your content on the screen. So that's how you change your slide size to A4. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.